In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google Calendars separate. Whether you're juggling personal and work events or simply want to organize different aspects of your life, keeping calendars distinct can make your scheduling much smoother. Let's dive right in. First, start by opening your Google browser and navigating to Google. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen and find the Google Apps icon, which looks like a small grid of dots. Clicking on this will open a menu featuring various Google services you have access to. From this menu, select Calendar to open Google Calendar. Once in Google Calendar, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the plus icon, which might also be labeled as Add Other Calendars. Clicking on this icon provides options for managing and creating new calendars. Select Create New Calendar from the list. This is where you begin to define a distinct calendar for whatever category you need, be it work-related activities, hobbies, or personal appointments. Now it's time to customize your new calendar. Enter a name that clearly indicates its purpose. For instance, if this calendar is for work purposes, you might simply name it Work. Along with naming your calendar, you also have the opportunity to add a brief description. Although optional, descriptions can be useful for providing additional context or specifics about what this calendar represents. Next up, make sure your calendar's time zone reflects where you'll primarily be organizing these events. This step is crucial for ensuring your events appear at the correct times and helps avoid any scheduling mishaps, especially if you're managing events across different time zones. Once you've completed these steps, click Create Calendar to finish setting up your new calendar. After the calendar is created, you'll be automatically redirected back to the main calendar page. Here you can start adding events and appointments as you normally would, knowing they're now neatly stored in their designated calendar. This separation is invaluable for maintaining focus and clarity without getting bogged down by unrelated events. To further ensure your calendars remain distinct, consider using different Google accounts for different roles or aspects of your life. For example, one account could be dedicated to personal matters, while another handles professional or freelance work. Managing separate accounts not only helps in organizing your schedule, but also in setting boundaries between personal and professional spheres. And that's it, you've learned a simple yet effective way to keep your Google Calendars separate, allowing for better organization and productivity. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to subscribe for more practical tips and tricks for mastering your digital tools. Thanks for watching.